skin talks volume. So hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this face, like this glowy face for the first time, hey, hi, my name is realwithAlora, and if you are a returning subby, thank you for stopping back by. So welcome to my vlog, welcome to another episode of Real with Bonga or Real with Alora. So first thing first, we're gonna talk skin, and yeah, we are talking vitamin C and zinc capsules. So I think about late last year or early this year, these capsules were a talk of TikTok. Like, they were definitely a thing on TikTok. They had a lot of good reviews and also a lot of bad reviews. But then, you know, when they say skin, your girl is there. When they talk skin, automatically your girl is influenced. I tried getting these capsules several times and the shelves were empty. That's how much people loved these capsules. So now I don't know what happened. I don't know if like the effects were not as good, but yeah, now you can easily find them at Clicks. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I am still gonna explain the reason why a lot of people no longer use these tablets. So I have been taking them for 3 weeks now. I take them twice a week. Reason being is that somebody warned me about zinc. If I find the comment somewhere, I will pin it. But yeah, somebody warned me about zinc. So instead of taking them every day, I decided to take them twice a week. So they've been good. As you can see, my skin speaks volumes. It is breaking like around here, and here, but the healing is definitely first. And talking about the bad sides which I have, or the effects which I have been experiencing, it's dryness. Definitely not on my sis here, but around my lips. Like, my lips are so dry. I've never experienced my lips being this dry. I did hear a lot of girlies talking about such, but mostly were indulging towards your coochie being dry. I've not experienced the coochie part, but my lips are so, as you can see, they're even like getting discolorated around here. So yeah, they've been getting my lips dry, and I've been getting hungry. I have been eating lately. Like, I've been eating lately. So those are the only two side effects which I've been experiencing since I've been taking these pills. But my skin talks volume, so maybe I will still experience more side effects as time goes by. Hence, I've said I'm only taking them twice a week. So yeah, that is pretty much about the capsule. Now let's come to the hair installation haul. I went to Clicks in ShopRite to buy hair installation products because I was having my first client of the day today at 7:30 and I needed this. So even after using this, I was like, no ways, we're still going to do a haul on this, because why not? Like, generally, because why not? So now talking Clicks, at Clicks we had to refill or buy these two. That is got to be freezing spray. Everybody knows this, like everybody knows these for wigs. Then we got these for, it's water resistant sparkling gel for doing edges. I find these easy when I do like edges to my client or for my client, and then these for clients who experiences like kind of hairline loss problems because it dissolves these or get rid of these using water. Then another thing I got, this was something I decided to get because it was very affordable. I think it was 50 rand if I remember correctly. Let me check. How much was it? It was, yeah, 50 rand. Then the got2be gel was 170. Then the freezing blasting spray was 184.90. So this was actually my first purchase. I must say it does smell good. Like I said, it was my first time using it on a client. I will still have to like get reviews from them on how long it took like to hold, but it is said to be an extra hold mousse. I will still go on and look for like other reviews from other channel. I will link them somewhere around my description box. So I passed by Nizam's and bought this silicone serum. I did not use it as of yet. It is not used. I will try it. I do not trust these Indian stores products, so this was my first purchase from them and I got it at Nizam's. It was 36 rand. I want to try it and see how it will be, but because I do not trust it, I will definitely try it with my own wigs. Then if it is good, then that is when I will use it for my clients. Then from Miss ShopRite, why do I say Miss ShopRite? I got myself these hair dryer. I used to own these before, like I used to have this kind. Then when my sister broke hers, I had to give her mine, hence I had to repurchase, because if a client is in a hurry, I have to like blow dry the glue as quick as I can, or if I am in a hurry, I have to just blow dry the glue so it can like easily be done and dusted. Another thing I got, which was my first time purchase again, is these styling gel maximum hold from Soft and Free. I am still gonna use, what is going on with me in English today? I am still gonna use this, but for now we'll just see. So this is pretty much with the haul. So I am waiting for another client, actually last client for the day. She will be here probably in 30 minutes. So yeah, all I can say is this economy is very, very, very difficult to thrive in, and as you can see, there is hella lack of like jobs and stuff. We have a lot of graduates like me who are not like working in their field, or other who are just not working at all. If you do have like a certain skill or anything you can do with your hands, I advise that you just go and do it, just to get that smaller income, because it will help. If you know you've got that skill you can use. I do makeup and hair installation. I'm not a professional, I'm not that good, I'm not an expert, but I still do for that smaller income, that those good reviews, like smaller good reviews I get, and that those coins I get, they do help here and there. So if you do have like some kind of thingy you can do with your hand, just do it as your part-time if you working, or just do it if you're not. As you do it, you'll like gain some experience, gain some perfection. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That I know it's an advice that is all over, but just make use of it. So while I wait, I'm gonna to cook, and I think I'm gonna be cooking the 30 minutes cook shrimp and a pork stew. So yeah, I'm just gonna go on and do that for now as I wait. guys, so I did cook earlier because Velish was late, and then just finished my last client of the day. So today I had 3 clients, and yeah, I've been standing ever since, so I just want to have something to eat and sleep because I'm very much tired. And yeah, probably you there asking yourself, why is she not showing them on camera? Like, I'm not comfortable putting camera on their faces as of yet, but immediately I will definitely do. But as of now, I'll just be doing what I do off camera until I am comfortable showing them, or rather, if they are comfortable, I'll start asking them. But yeah, that's when I will definitely show their faces and stuff. But for now, I just wanna eat and call it a day. See you tomorrow, chill moms. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome to yet another day of the vlog. So today I woke up and it was that day of the month. I went on, lit my candle, hoped straight to a bath, scrub myself, because one thing about me, the smell of blood kind of makes me feel dirty. So I was there scrubbing myself using the Dove bar soap. I love this soap. It doesn't leave my body dry. So I then use them Guard intimate wash. Loving this, especially during my period. After that, I hop straight to putting on my pads because the fear of blood just gets to me. Like, this time of the month just get to me. But one thing I love about these correct pads is that they are very thin. They're just comfortable. Like, they're super comfortable, and yeah, I love them. I love them for their comfortability. I went on with my body care, my all as usual. Love these also. Like, I was moisturizing my body, like, just wanted to feel comfortable, because this time of a month or this time of the month kind of makes me like emotional down, and yeah, I was just kind of pampering myself in a way so not to feel like that. And for me, skincare, the candle mood, and just being clean as a whole kind of makes me feel good. So I was there giving myself a little bit of some fragrance. I then went on to doing something to eat, which was Fanta orange with biscuits. From there, I was just watching YouTube because I love watching YouTube. Specifically, I was watching these episodes of Niatemban, and I hope you did enjoy this vlog. Bye.